Everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to use privateLINE comms, which is our persistent secure messaging service that runs within the privateLINE network. First thing you have to do is you have to have privateLINE Connect installed. And to do that, you get an account, you install the software, you load the account in there, and you have your tunnel. Now, to make sure you have your tunnel, the first thing is it must be turned on. Second thing is we're set for shield. It could be total shield too. The difference is this one is a full tunnel, which means everything from your computer goes through the enclave. So if you're trying to get out to the internet and surf around on the internet, it's not going to work. So I have this set for shield, which is a partial tunnel. Only the privateLINE applications are going inside. Now you'll notice here the latest handshake, 1 minute 45 seconds ago, and you can see that there's data being transferred. These numbers are jumping around a bit, which is a good sign, and therefore your connection status is green. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my browser. This is browser based, and I'm going to type in im.privateline.network, and I'm going to get to this page here. What happens is that I'm able to change the language if I want to. I've got all these different languages. I've got Chinese, I've got, looks like Arabic, Russian, whatever you like. This is based on Element, and it's open source. We had to go and clean a bunch of things out and make it compatible with our network. It's also using a matrix server. So everything is in the confines of our enclave, so none of the stuff is leaking out. Nothing goes to the outside internet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create an account. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type, let's just say test 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and I'm going to put in a password, and the password I'm going to make is, I'm just going to make it something insecure. This is a very common password. So let's try, let's just try some things here. Let's try, and put in this. Okay, and we'll do it again. And the password's confirmed. I will then hit register. Save the password. You can save it there too if you want to, which sometimes might be a good idea. It depends if your machine is able to get in or not. Now it's thinking about this. Okay. The next thing you're going to want to do is it says set up a secure backup. Enter a security phrase. And this is something I would highly recommend that you do. You could cancel it if you want to, but I would not do that. And what I suggest is the account that you made and the password that you came up with, make sure you write that down somewhere. People forget that all the time. It's a big problem. They have to recreate their account. They lose information. The same thing is true with the security phrase. What this does is it keeps your chats secure. So if someone gets the password, they cannot see all of your old chats unless they have the security phrase. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to enter 3 words. There. I entered 3 words with a space in between each word. And I'm just going to say continue. Now it's going to ask me to confirm it. That matches. Okay, that's good. So now I'm going to say okay. Now, it's going to give you a security key. I'm going to highly recommend that you download this and copy it. And I'm just going to say it copied it to securitykey.txt. You can put it on a memory stick. That's what I suggest you do, and not keep it on your computer. And then it's going to set up the keys. Secure backup is successful. Now, welcome to this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a person over here. So let's say I'm going to go here. And I'm going to look for, let's look for Chris. That's me. And there I am right there. And I'll say go. Now what happens is it send your first message to invite Chris to chat. Now, you can't see it. It's down below. I'm just going to type it in. It says send a message. And I'll just say test. Now it's going to create a room. Enable desktop notifications. I'm going to say yes, enable it. So now I type this in. Now you'll notice here, I've just invited Chris to come into my chat room here. And what this is he will need to accept the invitation. And so I'm going to come over here and I'm going to accept the invitation, start chatting. I got the word test, and now I'm going to say test back. Test 2. And here we go. There we go. And that's it. Now the other thing that I can do, allow it to show notifications. I can also do a call, voice call. I can do video call. Very much like Signal, Telegram, those different things. I think this has a number of advantages. You don't require any email or phone number compared to Telegram or Signal. Those cannot offer the kind of privacy that privateLINE does. So anyway, that's it in a nutshell. That's PL Comms on the browser. It works the same on Windows, Mac, and Linux. If you have a mobile device, you'll need to install the mobile application for Android or iOS. iOS, you'll need to get it at the Apple Store, or the Android, you can get either from the Play Store or from our website. Anyway, have a great day, everybody. Take care. Bye.